You have 5 seconds to remember the location of the hidden items. Look carefully. Where is the Domino's? Where is the Taco Bell? Where is the McDonald's? Please like if you get first 3 answers correct. Where is the KFC? Where is the Burger King's? What is missing? If you remember, write in the comments and I will like it.